Hi, I am Vishnu Priya. Today's session is Introduction to Cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. Types of cybersecurity or or we categorize cybersecurity in our responsible to the customer in business or end user services or network security, application security, information security, operational security. In this, network security is securing a computer network from intruders, whether targeted attackers or unauthorized users or infected malware. After that, application security. Application security focuses on keeping software and devices free of threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data it's designed to protect. Successful security begins in the design stage before a program or device is deployed. Then, what's the information security? Information security protects the integrity and privacy of data, both in storage and in transit. Then, what is operational security? Operational security includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data assets. The permissions of users have accessing a network and the procedures that determine how and where data may be stored or shared all fall under this category. Then we are also awareness to the end user. What are using when they are logging or accessing their resources in organization when they are accessing the cloud services. As an example, we provide awareness to the end users. This is the factor of the cybersecurity. Next, what's the importance of cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is important because it protects all categories of data from theft and damage. This includes sensitive data, personally identifiable information, protected health information, personal information, intellectual property, data, and government, and also industry information systems. History of cybersecurity. From 1940s, there are so many attacks or cyber crimes are there. Um, in 1943, cyber attacks are very tricky. Access to the giant electronic machines was limited to small number of people and they weren't networked. Only few people knew how to work them. So that was almost non-existent. But some of them are misuse them. This is the crime. Then experts or discover that and eliminate that people. In 1949, John Van Neumann is a computer initial programmer can he can reproduce some programs which are harm to the system. Then in 1950s, protocols are hijacked with using mobile phones with the help of telecoms engineers in the form of the giving free calls to the engineers and with using free calls they are know uh, what are the transactions are there in AT&T Bell Laboratories. Maybe the hijacking the protocols are there in the lab environment. Then in 1960s, at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, students found malicious hacking there in Hughes mainframes. In 1967, IBM found some errors are there in mainframe computers. In 1970s, Advanced Research Projects Agency Networks is ARPANET is creating a network to the army people in USA. They are sending some instructions in their network, then small program which steals some of the messages. Already they are decrypted, but the worm means some sequence of code of code is steals the messages. Then they encrypt keys. Using them, they decrypt the message. They know what is the message are sending in the military network.